10 most common questions parents have about the IEP process. 1. What exactly is an IEP and how is it different from a 504 plan? An IEP is a legal document under the Individuals with Disability Act. It provides special education services, individualized goals, and related supports tailored to your child's need. A 504 plan only provides accommodations like extra time on tests or sitting near the front of the class, but it does not include specialized instruction. Think of it this way. An IEP changes what your child is taught, but a 504 changes how they learn in the classroom. 2. How do I know if my child qualifies for an IEP? You must have one of the 13 disability categories recognized by IDEA, such as autism, learning disability, speech impairment, emotional disturbance, etc. The disability must impact their ability to learn in the school. They must need special education services to make progress. Qualifications are determined through the evaluations, tests, observations, and input from teachers and you as the parent. You can request this evaluation in writing at any time. 3. What rights do I have as a parent in the IEP process? You are not a guest at the IEP table. You are a member of the team. You have the right to request an IEP meeting at any time, get copies of all evaluation results, give or refuse consent for services, bring an advocate or support person with you, disagree with the school, and seek mediation or due process. The law is designed so that you and the school are partners in creating a plan that helps your child succeed. 4. Who can attend my child's IEP meeting? By law, the following people must be invited. You, the parent or the guardian, at least one of the child's general education teachers, a special education teacher, a school administrator like a principal or the special education coordinator, someone who can interpret evaluation results. Often the schools are colleges. Related service providers, if your child gets services like speech or OT, you may also invite an advocate, family member, or anyone who knows your child well to support you. Number 5, what should I ask for in the IEP to make sure my child gets the appropriate supports? Ask for services and goals that are specific, not extra time or extra income in reading, but 30 minutes of reading intervention 4 times a week. Measurable goals with numbers or clear progress markers. Individualized, fix your child, and it's not a one-size-fits-all program. Also ask, how will this help my child access curriculum, and what will this look like on a day-to-day basis? 6. How often is the IEP reviewed, and can I ask for a meeting at any time? The school must review the IEP at least once a year. However, you do not need to wait a year. You can request a meeting whenever you're concerned. Just put the request in writing. Re-evals are done, update, tested, and eligibility are done every 3 years unless you or the school asks for it sooner. What happens if I disagree with the school about the IEP? You have options. Talk it out with the team and try to resolve the differences. Request mediation. A neutral person helps both sides come to an agreement. File a due process complaint if you believe the school is not meeting your child's rights. File a state complaint with your state Department of Education. Disagreement is common. You're not being difficult. You're protecting your child's right to a meaningful education. 8. How are progress and goals measured? Each goal in an IEP must have a progress measurement plan. This might be through teacher data, work samples, or formal assessments. Schools send you a progress report as often as report cards. If progress is not being made, the IEP must be adjusted, new strategies, more support, or different goals. Number 9, what kinds of services and accommodations can be included? An IEP includes specialized instruction in reading, math, social skills, etc. Related services, speech therapy, OT, PT, counseling, accommodations, extra time breaks, visual supports, small group testing, assistive technology, communication device software. Behavior supports, behavior intervention plans, positive reinforcement strategies. The IEP should be built around your child's unique needs, not just what the school usually offers. 10. Will having an IEP affect my child's future, college, SSI benefits, or employment? An IEP does not go on your child's permanent record the way grades do. It won't block them from colleges, jobs, or scholarships. In fact, it helps them build the skills they need. In college, IEPs turn into accommodations through the Disability Service Office, but does not provide specialized instruction. An IEP can help provide documentation for SSI. If your child qualifies, employers cannot legally discriminate because of an IEP history. The goal is to support independence, not limit opportunities.